Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammad Ali, online maths teacher. Today we try to solve one question from Cambridge International AS and A level Mathematics paper 3, Pure Mathematics 3 9709 variant 32, October November 2023, question number 11. Question number 11. The variables x and y satisfy the differential equation. This is the differential equation. Uh, X square dy by dx plus y square plus y equals to 0. It is given that x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 when y equals to 1. Solve the differential equation to obtain an expression for y in terms of x. Okay, now the first part we try to solve. So solution, we'll write x square dy by dx plus y squared plus y equals to 0. Now, separating the variables, x squared dy by dx equals to y squared and y, we write in the right side. So, minus y squared plus y. So, we can write dy by y squared plus y minus dx by x squared. So separating the variables completed. Now the left part, we will split this by partial fraction. Now 1 by, if we take common y, it will be y into 1 plus y. So we can write here a by y plus b by 1 plus y. Now both sides multiply by 1 into 1 plus y, so we'll get 1 equals to a into 1 plus y plus b into y. We mentioned this is equation 1. Now put y equals to minus 1 in equation 1. So it will be 1 equals to 0 plus b minus b. Therefore, b equals to minus 1. Now again put y equals to 0 in equation 1. We get a equals to 1. So 1 by y into 1 plus y equals to, you can write a is here 1, so 1 by y is minus 1, so minus 1 plus y. Now taking integration in both sides, integration 1 by y into 1 plus y dy equals to integration 1 by y dy minus integration 1 by 1 plus y dy. So we know that integration dy by y, it is ln modulus y minus, it's also ln modulus 1 plus y plus c. So these things will compare with this part because this result we get here. So we can write here, so ln so integration 1 by y square plus y dy equals to minus x to the power minus 2 dx. 1 by x square we write as a x to the power minus 2 integration symbol. This part result is here. So ln modulus y minus ln 1 plus y equals to, if we integrate this part, We'll get x to the power minus 1 plus c. So this part you can write ln modulus y minus ln 1 plus y equals to minus plus x inverse means 1 by x plus c. We mentioned this is as equation 2. Now if we put here, put x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So ln 1 minus ln 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to 1 plus c. So ln 1 equals to 0. So c equals to minus 1 minus ln 2. Now, if we put c equals to minus 1 minus ln 2 in equation 2, what will we get? We get ln modulus y minus ln modulus 1 plus y equals to 1 by x, and c value is minus 1 minus ln 2. Now, if we simplify here, ln it is this 2 ln 2, when it's come in the left side, it will be ln y plus ln 2 minus ln 1 plus y equals to 1 by x minus 1. So we know that this part is ln 2y and this is ln 1 plus y equals to 1 by x minus 1. If base same and subtract, so if we write it together, we can write ln 2y by 1 plus y equals to 1 by x minus 1. Taking exponential in both sides, we get 2y by 1 plus y equals to e to the power 1 by x minus 1. So if we do cross multiplication, 2y equals to e to the power 1 by x minus 1 into 1 plus y. So we will get e to the power 1 by x minus 1 plus y into e to the power 1 by x minus 1. Here 2y. Now we try to write all the y related term together. So we get 2y minus y e to the power 1 by x minus 1 equals to e to the power 1 by x minus 1. So if we write y common, so it will be 2 minus e to the power 1 by x minus 1 equals to e to the power 1 by x minus 1. So y equals to e to the power 1 by x minus 1, 2 minus e to the power 1 by x minus 1. So, e to the power 1 by x minus 1. Okay. Now, our first part completed. Y equals to e to the power 1 by x minus 1 divided by 2 minus e to the power 1 by x minus 1. Now, the second part, state what happens to the value of y when x tends to infinity. Give your answer in it in an exact form. So x tends to infinity. So we got y equals to e to the power 1 by x minus 1, 2 minus e to the power 1 by x minus 1. So uh, so you can write, if we put here, instead of x, if we put here infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. So it is e to the power minus 1, 2 minus, it was 0, it will be e to the power minus 1. 1 by infinity equals to 0. So it is 1 by e, 2 minus 1 by e. So if we simplify 1 by e, 2e minus 1 by e, this e cancel. So get 1 by 2e minus 1. So state what happens to the value of y when x tends to infinity. When x tends to infinity, y equals to 1 by 2e minus 1. So I think everybody understand this maths. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.